Welcome to AutoVibe. Today we bring you an exclusive walk-around experience of the 2025 Mercedes-Maybach S-Class, a true symbol of modern luxury and refined engineering. As we begin from the very front, the bold and imposing Maybach grille instantly grabs attention with its vertical chrome slats that shine with authority, framed by sleek digital light headlamps that not only enhance visibility but also project a futuristic aura. The long hood carries sculpted lines that reflect elegance and power, while the chrome accents along the lower bumper add a touch of sophistication that defines the Maybach heritage. Moving towards the back, the design continues with a graceful flow. The LED tail lamps stretch seamlessly, connected by a fine chrome strip that emphasizes the width of the sedan. The Maybach emblem sits proudly, reminding everyone of its prestige. The dual chrome exhaust outlets are integrated with precision, adding sportiness to its otherwise ultra-luxury character. Every angle at the rear speaks about balance, refinement, and attention to detail. From the right side, the stretched wheelbase immediately stands out, highlighting that this vehicle is designed with rear seat luxury in mind. The massive chrome-finished multi-spoke wheels, along with the Maybach badging on the C-pillar, give a royal statement of status. Chrome touches around the windows and subtle character lines running across the doors bring out both elegance and presence on the road. The sheer length of the car reflects its flagship status in the luxury sedan world. Stepping inside, the dashboard greets you with the latest in luxury technology. A massive OLED central display sits at the heart, seamlessly integrated with the advanced MBUX system. The polished wood trims, flowing ambient lighting, and quilted leather surfaces elevate the cabin into a lounge-like atmosphere. The digital instrument cluster offers customizable displays, while every button and switch carries a crafted feel, emphasizing Mercedes' obsession with perfection. The front seats are designed not just for driving comfort, but also for ultimate luxury. With multi-contour adjustments, heating, cooling, and massage functions, every journey feels like a first-class flight. Soft Nappa leather with Maybach stitching patterns wraps around the seats, giving a sense of richness that few cars can match. At the back, the true Maybach experience reveals itself. The executive lounge seating offers reclining rear seats with leg rests, fold-out tables, and even an optional refrigerator with crystal glasses. Rear passengers enjoy their own infotainment screens, wireless charging, and ambient lighting tailored to their mood. This is where Maybach proves it is more than just a car. It is a private luxury suite on wheels. Finally, under the hood, the 2025 Mercedes-Maybach S-Class comes equipped with a powerful hybrid-assisted V8 engine, combining performance with efficiency. The power delivery is smooth and effortless, ensuring that the driver and passengers experience unmatched comfort with whisper-quiet refinement. Every detail, from engineering to design, makes this Maybach a true masterpiece in the world of luxury automobiles.